What's up, fellas? What's good? Yo, 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 it's your boy Optic Scumpy back at it again. This ain't Q, no, it's gold, twin. Oh, yeah, cold below here, I'm going short. I'm on gold, because that's what I'm trading. Do I see setup on? You're lagging, bro? Nah, I think it's your Wi-Fi. I'm fine. Is the camera focused, though? Chad, is the camera focused? Yes? Okay, good. Okay. I spit on urine? It's alright. It's alright, man. It's fixed now. Someone know? Chat, it's gold. It's gold, chat. Chat, it's gold. I can't hear the music tonight, so you always kind of tell me if the song that's playing sucks. I just don't feel like putting on my headphones. Dude, I've literally slept probably 18 hours today. I didn't take my medicine this morning, so after we traded, I literally just went back to sleep. Frick. Freaking heck, dude. I forgot. That means I gotta. This is gold. What's up, Cousin? What's the Cousin? No trades yet? Now, if this gap inverses, I'm going short. Give me 1 second, fellas. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, fellas. Which one have I not uploaded yet? This one? Oh, I'm such a goober, bro. Such a goober. I'm such a goober, man. I'm such a goober. How do I not remember? Okay. Lucid, Tradify. Okay, here we go. Here we go. How much is one gold mini? What do you mean, how much is it? It doesn't have like a static cost. Depending on what brokerage you're on, you have to have certain margin requirements. But if you're trading prop firms and you're asking like how much do you make or lose per point that gold moves for one mini is $100 per point. What's a purple box I have marked out? It's a 30-second fair value gap, and I'm going short. I'm going short. Alright, sorry, let me. What? I'm almost done. Why 50K? What are you talking about? What you talking about, Willis? What you talking about, Willis? Here's the thesis right now. We get this inversion and I'm going short. Rejection out of 30 and 15-minute gap. Almost like perfect CE. Obviously, rejection out of 30 and 15-minute gap. Perfect CE, basically. Overall, past day or so, we are in a downtrend on the 30-minute. I think we need to rebalance some of this move. Gold's just been going straight up recently. Sean, I haven't been doing that on live, bro. But that's what I'm looking for. Probably target these lows. This would be the trade thesis. This would be the trade thesis. The theses. This unfunded. Yeah, I'll probably take it on a funded account. NQ is gonna dump. Let me look at NQ. What was Nvidia's earnings? I didn't even check. Holy gap up. I don't really want to short this, bro. That's so aggressive. Yeah, it's like, oh my gosh, there's a huge gap. We have to retrace to it, right? You would think that until the market just keeps going up and leaves the gap. If we're truly as bullish as, this insinuates, 70-point new day open gap, it's not even a new week based off earnings, then that's one of those. This is one where I would either want to wait for price to come into the gap and then play out of it, or I'd want to see us come like higher and then I can just start playing longs. Like it could be pretty hard for me to. The only way I would short to this gap is if like we sweep this high, we come down to like 29516, retrace a little bit, and then get another retracement. That's what I would look for on that. Chat, how we all doing today, man? How's everybody's day? This ain't you, nah, this is gold, man. This is gold, Brodansky. I'm amazing. How about you? I'm doing great, man. Just got word that I'm getting my new whip tomorrow. Oh, it's gonna be so sick. Gotta find someone to come film it though, because all my friends are working or out of town. Jordy's gonna be in Cancun, Wawa's in California. I'm not gonna ask CC and Turbo to come film it. And all my normal friends are at their jobs. What's included in our premium? Basically, the live trading every single day, our classes on the weekends, giveaways every single day, the community, all the videos that we have teaching stuff. Once that AM trade I got out, couldn't stand no more. Bro, I don't even know. I woke up and Stopped out. Came back to BE, was in green for a little bit. Hit our stop and then ripped to full TP. Full world we live in. What's up, Cobb? In 30-second time frame? Yeah. So you trade New York AM? Yeah. We trade New York AM and PM in the Discord. Ooh, that just pissed me off. I'm putting my phone down. Kale says he needs you. What does he need? Funny. That's funny. Unemployment's tearing me apart. Can I get a 1 in the chat if you're unemployed? Shout out all my unemployed fellows, man. We don't talk about the J word around here. The J word is a slur where I'm from. Agree. Yo, Rahul, chill, bro. Chill, bro. That offends me. That offends me, bro. Yeah, look, 25 points on NQ a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. What song is playing, bro? I don't even can't hear the music. You have a disability? I got disability to get this bread. Ah, my bad. I apologize. If anybody wants to leave, they can. I take the same account for New York, Aim, and Asia. Should I have separate accounts? Yes, I would recommend. Or I just recommend don't trade Asia if you only have one. I'm at my J word right now and I make more trading. I'm always just gonna have a paycheck. Yeah, I mean it's having a job while trading really isn't bad because it relieves the stress of trading a little bit. Like when trading is your only income, you have to be so locked in mentally, so locked in psychologically. Because it's real easy to have a losing day, have a losing streak, have a couple losing days, and you're thinking, oh my gosh, like this is my only money. Like I need this. And then you get it in that get it back tilt mentality, and then you just start revenge trading, and then it's just GG's, you're cooked. I'm hella excited for our new whip. Yo, chat. Chat, who's excited for our new whip that's coming in tomorrow? We're all gonna get to drive it. Shag's still letting me drive it. Word. We bought that car. Is this gold? Yes, this is gold, bro. You gonna let me run from 12 in that bid? What did I get? It's a secret. I've actually already showed everyone, and I'm sure someone in chat's gonna leak it, but new entry, new entry, new entry. Close below here, I'm going short. Close below here, I'm going short. Bugatti. Yeah, it's a share on Persport. It was 5 mil. Holy boner to the moon, bro. What is this? Am I not going to get the short setup, bro? If we inverse this 30-minute gap, then it's like, okay, I don't really see anything. If we inverse a 30-minute gap, then it gets really annoying because we're not delivering off anything for longs. There's no high time frame gaps being put in or like that we're delivering out of. Let me actually check the daily. I guess we are delivering out of a daily gap. But we're still so extended, dude. I'd want us to retrace a little bit of this move some more, but gold might just be ripping. I mean, it's been ripping obviously for the past however long. I mean, we do have now a perfect, literally to the tick 30-minute gap fill. So if this minute gap inverses, I'm still going short. You can call me crazy. Okay, GG's. If it makes a new high, like if it goes above like 4673.2, I'm not interested. Okay, yeah. I'm not interested in this anymore. We have like a 15-minute gap or something? Nah, bro, we don't got nothing, dude. Okay, well, I mean, if it inverses this, I mean, you just got to look for like longs. Check in Q. Top B. Oh my gosh, and like, what? I can't trade in Q with this gap here, bro. Like, it's just too risky. Like, I'd want to wait for it to be hit. All right, maybe we can get this 30-minute inverse and then get some kind of continuation long on NQ. That's probably what I do. Chat, if y'all are looking for the best accounts, Lucid is going to be the single best prop firm right now. My opinion, bar none. They have the best accounts for everyone. They have daily accounts, flex accounts, pro accounts, and their dailies are 40% off for the next 2 days, for tomorrow and Friday. And the sale ends. Sale ends. You need a buffer on Lucid Pro 25K? Yes, you do. To get gun consistency at probably like 300, 400. What's up, Dante? My name ain't Dante. What's up, killer? Oh, wait, Kyle. You're talking Dante. Kyle's talking to Dante. What's up? I like that. What's up, killer? Fire. That's hella tough, bro. That's hella tough. Why you smiling so big at your phone, Poe? I want to smile too. It's just life, man. That's your homeboy? Respect. How much for one-on-one lessons? I don't have time to do one-on-ones right now. We might offer them at some point, but I got so much going on. You guys are funny, bro. You guys are funny. Am I gonna be at in quarters meetup? Oh yeah. Miami meetup, the Vegas meetup. Chat, who's pulling up to an in quarters meetup? Flights on Po Boy. Look for one more, usually Arian. It's a girl, Cap. You guys know I don't talk to girls. Nah, no you, Kyle, no you. Dude, gold was just pumping. Can I get a second opinion? Is this not AMD on the lower time frames? Like what, the 5 minute? You're talking about this right here? I would say, yeah, this could potentially be some kind of AMD, but the thing with AMD, at least what I do, or the way that I play AMD, is that I want the manipulation leg to take out some key level of liquidity. Like, I'm not just going to play 1 minute AMD, come up, boom, manipulate, reject off nothing, distribute lower. I'm not going to play that. I'm going to play, okay, we have equal highs right here. We chop, 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 manipulate, take out the equal highs, boom, go lower. That's how I play AMD. Personally. I was having blessed playlist. Thank you guys. This is like one of the weaker songs on the album too. My big brother was big brother. Alright, I put my headphones on. I kind of want to listen to some music. It's kind of peaceful with no music, but Kanye's just too good. Can't not listen to him, man. I'm shorting NQ, F it. Chat, should we short NQ, and if it hits, we give Jay Get Money X2 a free eval, and if it fails, we ban him. Team Jay Get Money. Yes. Nah, bro, I can't do that. This is literally like not on my funded. I'll go buy an eval and do it. We had to at least come into this 30-minute gap. Minimum. Banned for life? Oh, yeah. He wouldn't come back, bro. He wouldn't come back. Let's see if we can get some kind of continuation play on gold. TJR, brick. Eltman's after I gave you the gold play. Facts. My bad, bro. What I look for when trading continuations, I look for some kind of high time frame gap to be inversed while also putting in like a 15, 30-minute gap. Ideally, it would be delivering off some kind of high time frame liquidity. See, the reason I don't like longs that much is because if you look down here, we have equal lows. Basically equal lows, which is going to be a strong draw on liquidity. While we're also delivering off like nothing. So like there's really no reason for this to be pumping this hard. Which is why I don't really like longs. But, you know, if we are just going to, I mean, this is pretty aggressive buying pressure. Okay, this is gold. This is gold. Nvidia earnings? Yeah, but this is gold, bro. Gold doesn't usually care about earnings. Dang, that was real, Kanye. People never get the flowers while they can still smell them, man. Tell your mom you love her, chat. Tell your dad you love him. Tell your sister, your brother, your friend you love them. Yo, NQ just touching people. Dude. NQ is touching people. I can't lie. It's like, what are you supposed to do? How do you can't trade this. Until we either get way far away from this gap or we come back into the gap, it's like, you can't really trade it. There's gold in NVIDIA's chips. That's not how that works, though. Shout out Mike Posner, man. Keep this on, whoa. I'll put it on Q. Big. Shout out Profitable Dave. It's Profitable Dave in here, bro. Chat, do y'all think it's a bad idea to keep a parachute in my apartment just in case someone decides to place C4s on the structural columns at the bottom and blow the building up, that I can jump off and be safe? Like, just in case. Like, I would rather have my parachute and never need it than not have a parachute and need it. You feel me? What happens if you're sleeping when it happens? You sleep with it. You sleep with it up. The second you hear something, boom, wake up, full sprint, straight through the window. Like I'm James Bond or something. And I parachute down and everybody's like, oh my god, look how awesome and cool he is. And I like aura farm on the way down. Yeah, on some Superman type shit. But then listen to this. I cut it, or I turn it around, start flying back at the building, cut it, go through the window, grab like 40 people, and carry them all to safety on the backup parachute. That's just the kind of guy I am, though. That's just the kind of guy I am. I'm putting other people before me. No, but it's not it's not a fire. It's the building is coming down in like 10 minutes. Straight motion. Who exactly? Nobody's got motion like that, William. Got stomped out, bro. I haven't been in a trade yet. Just keep a PJ in your room. Yeah, impulse grenade. Let me just water bucket right before I hit the ground. What am I talking about? This is all so crazy. Well, I see if we get some kind of like continuation play out of this 15-minute gap, man. If this is AMD and I'm wrong, or yeah, it's just bend me over. I don't know. But hopefully I'm right. This NQ, yeah, NQ dropped 26,000 points last night. We're at 4K. Yeah, it's low key what the market's gonna do to me. He just wants that. That's why he said it, bro. Not bad, bro. Only traders find that joke funny. Bro, what? Bro, you guys are too freaky, bro. You guys are too freaky. I'm looking for a long mix. I want to see what happens at this 15-minute gap. If we get a continuation at this 15-minute gap, I'd like that. It's also a 5-minute. Still have a bunch of liquidity higher. If you're not a trader, then why are you in here? Probably just to get to experience me, bro. Like, I can't even blame him. I would also watch me for fun. I'm goated. I'm just kidding. Band for band, you'd beat me, Mr. Zink. I guess, even no volume. Stop it, you're too kind. Zeke, let's go band for band. But I think loser has to. I don't know. I don't care about 10-minute fair value gaps. I only use 5, 15, 30 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, 30-second, 1, 2, 3 minute time frame, and 5 minute. Bro, I lost my old water bottle, bro. Ever heard of the 10-minute, bro? You can go to the 4-minute time frame. You can go to any time frame if you want. Just watch. I can go to the 17-minute time frame. I lied. You can go to the 4-minute time frame though. Okay, not on TradeOfX, but you can on Top Step. TradeOfX is booty apparently. Or is it TradingView? You can. Don't pick up that whip, bro. What do you mean? Don't pick up that whip? I'm getting the whip at noon tomorrow, and I'm stunting on all y'all in it. Hold up. Banger alert. Thought it was our whip. It is. I like low key, don't like Taylor Swift at all, but like some of her old music, it's kind of nostalgic for me. Probably overtime. Probably got the PC on the middle console, bro. Probably got nitrous in that, John. Swifty all day. I am the furthest thing from a Swifty. I'm actually a Con Yeezy. I'm a Yeezy fan, which is literally the opposite. Well, I made that famous. Nah, this was actually a crazy song and completely like uncalled for. Hey, Apple Music, nah. I listen to everything on Spotify. Do I like Drake? Yeah, I rock with some Drake. I don't like Drake on the same level that I like Kanye, but like I like Drake's music. I really like a lot of Drake's old stuff though. Like, what's that one song? I prefer the better things. Y'all know what song I'm talking about? I think it's on Thank Me Later. I think it's this one. Okay, here we go. Nobody likes Jamaican rock. I like is it reggae? Reggae? You know what I'm talking about? Reggae? It's reggae? It's actually reggae? Or I said it like that, you guys are making fun of me. Are Fun and Next accounts good? Yeah, Fun and Next accounts are really good. Their 50K flex accounts are like super cheap. They're like 50% off with code NQ. They also have daily pass. They have 1 day pass daily accounts that are end of day drawdown. Taking shorts in this inverses? No, I would potentially look for longs out of it though. 3 day pass sucks. I mean, almost every firm is going to 3 day pass now. I'm on one. That's a banger. Funded next key, the rapid accounts. And they're like 50% off with code NQ. Which have 1 day pass? Well, I mean, look, firms are going to 3 day pass on a lot of their flex accounts. So there's still a lot of 1 day pass accounts. But if you're looking for like the Lucid flex style, the only firms with that are like Lucid, Futures Elite, Top Step still has 2 day pass. That's really it. Alex, I did. I have a lot of videos like that. That is true, Bill. That's why I like 2 day pass accounts. Can we just take those highs out? If we would reject now and couldn't look for a long, I'd love it because we'll have triple equal highs in the 15-minute. Also, My Fun and Futures, My Fun and Futures 2 day pass. No, they got rid of their flex style accounts. I don't know what the builder accounts are, but like the flex style or the 2 day pass is becoming a thing of the past. They ain't trades yet? Nah, bro. They haven't been anything. It's kind of pissing me off. Not pissing me off, but it's just like a snooze fest. I think 2.5 A trade. You fancy, huh? Bro, this album is so good. What's that thoughts on ICT trading? I mean, I trade ICT, but I trade a specific model with ICT. I talk about it all the time. ICT itself is not a strategy. It's a language to understand the connotation behind the candlesticks. What? Yes, that is a green candlestick. But what is the meaning? What is the narrative? You know, And so that's kind of what the ICT concepts help you understand. I know, Jackie, it was horrible. Which accounts do I use? I use a lot of different accounts, but my favorite accounts are Lucid Flex accounts. They're 40% off. Go to NQ right now. Facts, Brandon. What about CRT? I don't use CRT. What different concepts are? I mean, bro, there's so many different ones. You only need like 3 or 4 of them, bro. You just need to understand like market narrative, high time frame. Bill Joyd, this is a new account, so I'll probably try to build my buffer on this one. Bro, my hands hurt so bad, bro. I'm so tired of having hand problems. They're so sore. I'm actually not going to be able to use my hands in like 4 years. I think it's 2.5K trades. See, now I don't even like longs. Now it's like, okay, let's just wait till we take out this high right here. There's New York and... Oh, it wouldn't even be the London one. There's New York and hourly high right here. Yeah, I saw that. That's awesome, finally. Is it because you used to play claw? Yes. No, what happened to my hands? It's because I used to... I spent too much time on the computer, bro. Because I gamed too much and played claw for 12 years. You hold your hands like this for 12 years straight, bro, you'll get some hand problems. Yeah, that's how I used to hold the controller. One last question. Thoughts on Lucid? What's up? What I play? Call of Duty. A lot of you guys don't even know about Warzone. Oh boy, man. They don't even know. One of the greats. They call me the LeBron of Rebirth Island. No, I don't, DR. I just have like a custom button layout. G, bro. I hate it. I hated Warzone, but yeah, it is what it is. Cap skills. Game's garbage. That game sucks. If I play Warzone before, if I die before I play Warzone, it will be too soon. I will have played Warzone too soon. I need eternity to end before I ever touch that game. I like it. Come on, skills. I'll rage bait, bro. Nobody did that to me. I make any income from streaming now. You ran game battles back in the day. I didn't really run GBs on GBs didn't even exist. I played Warzone. I played CMG some. We 1v1, bro. I am not getting back on Call of Duty, bro. You can have it. You know what? You did. You own me. You're my daddy. I have no ego, no pride in the game anymore. I care less about that game. People who trade standard deviation are like movement kids in Warzone. Alexis, if the close of it is outside of it, you can take it. Yeah, I wish I didn't. If I go back in time, I wouldn't have played Claw. Oh, you fancy, huh? You fancy, huh? I prefer the better thing. I like money isn't everything. Do I lift, bro? Yeah. How far am I from Frisco? However far downtown Dallas is, I have no clue, honestly. My geographical knowledge of the DFW Metro is minute. Muy poquito. Muy poquito. Yes, and kind of annoying. How far am I from Luxembourg? Isn't that in Germany? Like 35 minutes away from me then? Are you there right now, Haiti? I'll pull up tomorrow. I'm getting my car tomorrow. ZZ short and gold. That's all I needed to know. We're long, chat. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Bro, ZZ lives in my building. I didn't even know that. Yes, Kate. Go up there and close his position. Kate, I was looking for you? What do you mean? What car, bro? It's a secret. Y'all are going to see it when the video comes out. Or actually, I'll probably just upload it on TikTok tomorrow, and then I'll upload the YouTube video. SVJ? I wish. I was looking at Aventadors last night, and I think that's my next car. I think after I get this car, this is twin turbo V8. I've had the flat six with the Porsche. I have the twin turbo V8. I want a V12 next. I want either 812 or Aventador. I don't want hybrid. I don't want Revuelto. I don't want SF90. Am I in a trade? No, I'm not in a trade. You guys are funny. Get a motorcycle? No, I told my parents I would never get a motorcycle. They're too dangerous. I would actually get myself killed. I'm already like an idiot when it comes to driving stuff and not safe. That's why I'm like low key scared of this car because I don't trust myself. My intrusive thoughts take over a lot, and I really, really like pushing the limits of whatever I'm doing. So, like, I really need to not be stupid. If it's a hint where it's manufacturer based, but I can't lie, I really don't even know. I do. I mean, I don't really care that much. It's a McLaren, but Paul Walker was in a Porsche. He was in the Carrera GT though. Those are notorious for losing control, and he wasn't even driving. It's the worst part. A lot of people call that car the Widowmaker. A couple Porsches that have that nickname though. How long it take you to get to making 10K per month? Like a year. This is MGC. This isn't the MGC. But Chad, I'm sorry there's no trades, but like I can't take some BS, bro. And there's just nothing on the charts. There's just absolutely nothing right now. Maybe Tokyo Open will give us some volume. Yeah, man, that's what I trade on gold. Yeah, it's all like for the best accounts though, man. Lucid. Code NQ gets you the best discount there. It's the best firm by far. Fund to Next is also really good. TPT's got 50% off if you want daily payouts. Wait, Puff Dag, Phil, think you take the IFG? Yes, Alexis. How was Doc's trade this morning? It was a roller coaster of emotions. Comes down like 2 points from stop, comes up, back in the green, comes back down, stops us out, boom, rips to full TP. Yes, MA. What are we trading gold? Yeah. Listen to you expressing all them feelings. Yo, shut up, Forex. Don't be scamming people, bro. What's up, Zach? Look at the price. All right, we could potentially get this retracement into this 15-minute gap. 2 15 minutes. Yeah, you're good, Alexis. Like copy trade, yeah. What is gold on Tradeovate? I mean, is it not just the same ticker? It's a good question, Seven. Dude, I want to smile too. Just show your phone. There ain't nothing on my phone, bro. Is it a crime for a man to be joyous? To be filled with the joy of Jesus Christ? My screen freeze? No, it's just no volume. There's no volume, bro. That's how much of a snooze fest tonight is. Looking for a long off the gap, yeah. We all get cooked. Yes, we all got cooked. Yeah, I'm literally yawning. That's how boring this is right now. Is it gods if it didn't have any significance? I mean, not enough for me to take a short off of them. It would help for confluence with a continuation long. I just hate how this does low key look like AMD on the higher time frames. But this is a stupid amount of buying pressure. I died next. Micros or minis, they're the same. It's whatever you want to trade. I'll probably go in with like 2 minis. Bro, I've slept for 18 hours today. I've been awake for 2-3 hours. And I'm still tired. That's what happens when I don't take my medicine for 1 day. So it's not a man filling. Bro, what? Very Kyrie, do I use Drink Copia? Drink energy drink. Actually, I have a 5-hour energy in my kitchen, but I'm not drinking it. Just stop, bro. I don't care that much. What's my go-to strat? Sweep it inverse. No, if I'll be back again. But it's funny the same wrong as help me write this song. Facts. Everything I'm not makes me everything I am, man. What about wanting a reaction off the 30-minute or 15? You know, in a perfect world, we come down to here for a long. Probably not gonna get it. I'd still take a long off this, but it'd probably be like half risk. Because we're in so much premium. It still could potentially be higher time frame AMD. This is really, really bullish. Bullish pressure if we get the retracement. Are you training Po Boy Gold? I'm on top of the world, baby. On top of the world. I'm king of the world. What's that even from? There's a chill ass song. After my first payout. NQ on the move? Yeah, but I don't even want to trade NQ, bro. Anybody else just love chewing on ice? I actually love ice so much. Dream with Stonk. Let's see an ultimate banger. Might have to signal bot Stonk, bro. Because I don't know if we're going to get my strategy set up. Maybe he gets his. Chat, should we signal bot? Should we signal bot Stonk Daddy today? Ice took my cousin? Frick Ice, bro. My best friend's Puerto Rican. They're going to take him back. Don't worry, Hector. I'll come get you. Yes, I know Puerto Rico is part of the United States, bro. Joke. My best friend is actually Puerto Rican, though. I miss you, Hector. If you're watching this. If Puerto Ricans are not illegal, I know. I'm just kidding. I love Puerto Rico. Go there a couple times a year, usually. I was there in July. Was that like a month ago? Some of us need to be. Nah. Puerto Ricans cool people. I think next time I go, I'm gonna do a vlog in La Perla. What do you guys think about that? No. La Perla. I know it's a joke. It's a joke. I wouldn't. You guys would never see the vlog if I did it there. Go at nighttime. The people are super nice. Oh yeah, I should probably like yell at them too, huh? I ain't trade yet? No, bro. Look at the chart. Look at these charts, bro. Straight up. Let's go to NQ. Straight up. Massive gap. Like, bro, what's. Are you serious right now? Rejecting, I have a 15-minute gap, but I don't think and a 30, but no, it actually inverse 30. Yeah, it inverse 30. So I'm rejecting out of it, bro. Frick the charts, dude. The 1 minute? Nah, bro. I wouldn't short this, bro. Look at all this liquidity right here. So many hourly highs. Yeah, we're extended, and yeah, we have this new day opening gap, but it's one of those things where, like I said, I wouldn't, for me to get short, I'd want it to make the move down already and then look for a continuation when we get closer to the gap to confirm that this is the bias Ver- versus playing just a straight up a reversal. Unless it was like a perfect sweeping relative highs inside a 30-minute gap. This is just so bullish. Stream New York session, yeah, inside the Discord. Inside the Discord. You want to join the link is in my bio, brother or sister. All right, let's see. Honey, I'm coming. This is such a millennial burger place song, but it's low key a banger. I kind of rock with that music though. Turn me on some Lumineers, man. Wow, there's actually a playlist called Millennial Burger Shop Music. And the first song is Lumineers. Yeah, thanks, Kiki. Are we really not going to come down to that gap, bro? We better not make equal those. Why did not trade any Q? I do, bro. Trading Q like every day. There's just no setup on it right now. Write the song. You guys are looking for the best accounts. Y'all know the drill. Code NQ, Lucid, best firm, bar none. Flex accounts are my favorite account in the world. Dailies are 40% off for the next 2 days. So if you want daily payouts, go with those. The next person to use code NQ and send me a picture of it will get a picture of my feet mailed to them, framed, laminated. I'll be looking for longs. Yeah, probably. Dead eye? No, bro. I mean, sure, I guess. Buy a 5-stack with code NQ. I could mail a picture of my feet to you. If you so desire. It'd be a little weird, but any means necessary, man. Oh my God, my back hurts. Oh, dude, I didn't go to the gym today either, bro. I've been slacking. Not really. I've actually been locked in, but. This is actually, when I'm not even joking, might be my favorite song of all time. Not even the song itself, but just like the nostalgia behind it. The amount of memories I have from my childhood that this song brings back. Either this song or Bound 2, Kanye West. Cameron, unfortunately, we didn't have a great day today. We took a loss. But happens. We've had a great month. Great past month. For longs or shorts, definitely longs. Price action on my chart and on Top Step X is different. Let me look. Am I missing something? What's different? Oh boy, reminded me of my ex. Same to me. Can I explain your eval strategy? Yeah, you want to know my eval strategy? Find an A plus trade or a gamble, and I full port it. If you want to actually know how you should pass them, it depends on where you are in your stage of trading. Are you already profitable and you're looking to optimize for ROI? Or are you still learning to become a trader and still working your psychology and, your risk management and your, being able to recognize A plus trades? No, I don't trade gold in the AM. I mean, what's A plus? Session high inside of an hourly 4 hour, 30-minute gap, sweep the session high or low inside of a gap. Look for a 30-second fair value gap on the way out. Watch that it get inverse, have clear draws, target, boom. Why not? We just don't. We just trade in QES. My house, my boot on my spine, my hidden treasure chest, golden grand. Look, NQ. I don't want to trade NQ. It's not doing anything, bro. I need us to come way closer to this gap first. Or I want to play a continuation. Yes, Lighthouse. Yes. Out the shorts, out the 30-minute are working right now, but told you guys what I would look for to play. Thank you. I want to play this continuation long on gold right now. I could be wrong, but I don't like trading when you have a giant gap like that below. This 1 minute gap in versus on gold, I'm going long. I want to give it a little more room to breathe, Nick. I need to see some more displacement. Ooh, shit. Ooh, shit. I like it more, though. It gives us a little more retracement of this range. Take long if it passes. I did. If it inverses the 15-minute gap, then I'm probably just gonna jump off a cliff or something because then there's no setup and I'm gonna cut my nuts off in the process. Sorry, that was so aggressive. I don't know why I said that. Lighthouse, it's really just to show confirmation that we are rejecting out of that imbalance versus just kind of like chopping around inside of it. Intrusive thoughts, bro. My intrusive thoughts take over so much, bro. I have like negative inhibition. is going down. Thank you for that observation, sir. Dub, yeah, I mean that low key would be a good deal. I can't lie. I dumb because I smoke cigarettes. I don't even need to read the rest of your question. Yes. Why is your name Dog Wiener? This is a good song. It's probably my favorite Lumineers song. Yo, Billy, I don't know what's wrong, bro. Sounds like you need a therapist, brother. Please go talk to someone. Want to learn your strat? Come join us and join the Discord. Or watch my YouTube. 30 seconds and 1 minute. What am I waiting for? This 1 minute gap at the top to get inverse. Be a decently wide stop. Mods muted that guy for venting. No, he wasn't venting. He was trauma dumping. Two completely different things. There's also a time and place for it. I'm actually ending off this 30-second inversion right here. Didn't spot that. Stop at the swing low. TP up here. And I'm actually going to enter with 3 cons. Basically 1-to-1 RR. High time frame gaps inverse. Basically filling that full 15-minute gap. Really aggressive V-shaped displacement to the upside. We have clear draws higher, a lot of liquidity, and we're not really rejecting off anything coming down. I like it. Are they coming in to jack me? What? What, bro? What are you talking about, homie? Actually, I wasn't recording. Let me. The funded account? Yes. Where you at, dude? Hey, hey. Am I long? Yeah. Let me change the colors. On Trade of X, the colors of the things change with your let's see if there's a way to change that. No. I think he's gonna change it here soon. But I have to go. Who wants to die alone? I don't know why this part of the song is here. Why is P&L blocked off? It's not. It's just the colors. See, when it goes red, for some reason the text is black on Trade of X. When it goes green, you can see it. I've messaged the dev of this. He's gonna change it. Oh! Right back. Go up or I'm killing myself in Minecraft. Hello. Hello, mate. I'm going to the roof, meet you at the sidewalk. Bro, have you guys ever seen the movie The Other Guys? The beginning of that movie is so funny. I don't like the setup, then don't take it, bro. I ain't got no animosity if you don't want to take my trade, dude. 3 minutes? Yeah, I'm in for 3 minutes. Aim for the bush. What a funny movie, bro. Bro, I haven't watched a comedy movie in a minute. I need to watch something. You on 4X, Chris? Desk behind. Holy job, yeah. What is that displacement into straight chop? They're not the same anymore, bro. Yeah, bring back Zoolander, Anchorman, like all the. Who's calling me right now? Bro, does anybody else's phone vibrate like you got a notification and you go look at it and there's nothing there? I swear that happens. I cannot be crazy. I cannot be crazy. I don't know if they're doing it on purpose to make us be on our phones more and it's like some kind of conspiracy or what. It's glitching. Yeah, I had to get a new phone recently. I had my phone for a while. It started lagging. iPhones are built to last for a year. Can I explain the reason for an entry? It's a continuation trade. Getting touched more because he entered a little late, bro. You couldn't have got that bad of an injury. It's barely been in the green. You maybe got like a, you at worst got like a 0.5 worse entry. How confident am I in this trade? If you can't blow your account, probably wouldn't take it. I mean, it is a textbook continuation trade. And we live trade in Q, but I don't want our Discord to be only signals. I want to actually teach people. I want to actually teach people, bruv. Bruv. I didn't sneeze. Excuse me. Did I set up my chart like yours? What do you mean? Radio. Is the Discord worth? I mean, I think it is. But you're asking the person who owns it. I don't think you're going to find a Discord that's more worth, but ask the people. Don't listen to me, listen to the people. But boy's the only homosexual trader I like to watch, brother. What? It's A plus. I mean, it's A plus continuation. To be honest, I kind of hate continuation trades because it's not looking good. Your server made me 20K, bro. It was worth the investment. At first, I was scared. WA trades. YouTube giving the salt. Yeah, I mean, bro, you can become profitable with just my YouTube. People don't watch it enough. There's so much value on there. Are you serious right now? This will be my only trade tonight. If this fails, I'm gonna hop off. What am I about to look at? It's not looking great, to be honest, either. Perfect V shape right out the 15 and 30 with the draws above. Can't do nothing about that. How trading goes. Yeah, I mean, it's just how it is, man. Got cooked in New York session day, too. Can't lie. Bro! Why they not letting me register my car, bro? You serious right now? I need to log in. I trusted you with my account. It's gone. Was 1 day away from payout. That is not my fault, bro. You will never make money if you signal bot me and then blame me when your account's gone. If If you were 1 day away from a payout, you should not have been sizing that heavy. All right, well, that was a great trade. We went in the green for a long time. Unfortunate, because that was about as textbook continuation as it can get. All right. That's the only trade I'm taking. Like I said, bro, I really didn't even like the PA tonight. It was from the beginning. If you guys are looking for something else, I really just don't even see anything now. Stay safe, stay blessed, fellas. Sorry. We'd been cooking on gold. Got cooked on that one, though. Happens as part of trading. Have a good night, guys. Sorry.